Welcome, today I am with Xiaomi Redmi Buds 3 and I'm going to show you how you can check serial number of this device. So that's very simple. You have to open the case of your buds and then you have to take a look right here. I'm gonna zoom in for sure, so don't worry. You will be able to find the serial number. Take a look. I hope that you can see it right now. The serial number appears in this place. It's above this R marking at the first and above the production date. Right now we can definitely spot the serial number. So yeah, as you can see, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.